The five pillars of Islam are the core beliefs and practices that serve as the foundation of a Muslim's faith and way of life. They are considered essential acts of worship and obedience to Allah, God, in Islam. The five pillars are as follows: Shahada Faith. The Shahada is the declaration of faith and the fundamental creed of Islam. It states, translation, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is the servant and messenger of Allah. Salah, prayer. Muslims are required to perform ritual prayers 5 times a day facing the Kaaba in Mecca. These prayers are performed at specific times: Fajr, pre-dawn; Dhuhr, midday; Asar, afternoon; Maghrib, just after sunset; and Isha, night. Each prayer involves a set sequence of movements and recitations, fostering a regular connection with Allah. Zakat, charity. Zakat is the practice of giving a portion, usually 2.5%, of one's wealth and assets to those in need, such as the poor, the needy, and those in debt. It's a means of redistributing wealth and promoting social justice within the Islamic community. Sawm, fasting. Fasting during the month of Ramadan is obligatory for all adult Muslims. Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs from dawn until sunset as an act of self-discipline, spiritual growth, and empathy for those who are less fortunate. Hajj, pilgrimage. Muslims who are physically and financially capable are required to undertake the pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca at least once in their lifetime. The Hajj takes place during the Islamic month of Dhul-Hijjah and involves specific rituals and acts of worship that symbolize unity, humility, and submission to Allah. These 5 pillars provide a framework for Muslims to establish a strong connection with Allah and live a life guided by faith, worship, and moral values. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.